हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं दीपाली और हम इस सीरीज में लेकर आए हैं आपके लिए लैटिन एफोरिज्म्स। व्हाट आर एफोरिज्म्स? दीज आर शॉर्ट, pithy, instructive sayings. What will be the use of aphorisms? See, for beautifying your article, your answer, your essays, whatever you write, to make it more apt, more meaningful, you can use these aphorisms at places. So we will start with this series. I will make it sure that I give you at least one or two aphorisms every day or every alternate day so that you can enrich yourself. This is the main aim of this channel, Dipali Law, to make you enriched with knowledge. So, first aphorism is Actus curi naminum gravebit. Actus curi naminem gravebit. These are Latin maxims, so they are not English. It should be very clear to you. So when these are Latin maxims, so we have to understand the meaning of each and every word. Actus, act. Curi, court. Naminum, no one. Gravebit, prejudice or harm. Okay, so the meaning of this aphorism is no person should be prejudiced by an act of court. So, should I write it down? No person should be prejudiced by an act of court. See, this is what our Chief Justice Ramana had said, that people look up to the court when they are in some trouble. So the main purpose, the main motive of court should be that no person should be prejudiced by an act of court. Now we move to the other next aphorism. This is, suppose, first of all, I'll tell you a small story. See, in India, you are free to throw garbage anywhere on the roads or to spit anywhere. But if you go to a country where spitting or throwing garbage on the roads is an offense and police catches you, okay, then you will say, see, I'm not aware of the law of this country and I'm from India and we can do it there. So they will say, ignorantia juris non excusat. The meaning is very simple. Ignorantia is ignorance. Juris means law. Non means no. Excusate means excuse. The meaning will be ignorance of law is no excuse. So, it is very important to know about the law of the land. Guys, it's a very short video and my purpose is to make you aware about the aphorisms. So first aphorism is Actus curi naminem gravebit and second is ignorantia juris non excusat. Please let me know how have you liked this video. Your suggestions are invited. Please comment, please subscribe and please like this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and keep the Josh high.